Umitri rong baka jala CONRAD ke SANGMA ne kasngi uloong. Baka jingwan ra jingkala ka sarkar ya ka Code of Civil Procedure CPC, but ka Code of Criminal Procedure CRPC kampentelon ya ki BOR ka District Council. Umitri rong baka jala CONRAD SANGMA uloong ru baka an ni ka rajo ka kunhun sarkar jala kam dan benian ban pentelot BOR ya ki an jong ki District Council na mar kila don pa ki BOR bala penkup BOR da ka kernet ka bahan riu kariti sensyar kari India. Ulang baki District Council kindang yai beteng bantre katkum ki kendon balapan khamti da ka kernet bahan rio kariti sensyar kari India barkani ka jingpen kelaya ka CPC bat CRPC ka long tang ban penyaklat ya ka BOR Shimrai ki yeng bisha jong ki District Council.
As you're aware that the state government and the cabinet had deliberated this particular issue more than 3 times in the cabinet. And also we have discussed this matter with the District Council. This is the second time that we're having this meeting to clear off all the confusion or misunderstanding or differences that could be there. And the message that we have given to the District Council is that the entire purpose of really coming out with this notification is to allow the judicial magistrate to continue the work and the functions that were being done by the ADC judiciary when the executive and judiciary was not separated. That is the only intention and objective of this notification, nothing beyond that. And the question of diluting the powers of the district council or interfering in the village courts or changing the procedures in the district council is absolutely not there. So there's no question the provisions and the powers of the district council courts are protected by the provisions of the constitution. And a notification, no matter how many times we may change things, the wording we may change, anybody can try to interpret the notification in any way. The most important protection that the district councils and the courts and district councils have is through the provisions of para 4 and 5 in the 6th schedule. And hence, no notification will supersede that. The intention and the spirit and objective of this notification is purely and purely simply to complete and regularize the process of separation from executive from the judiciary, so that now that ADC judiciary is not there anymore, the district session judge and the court can function and do their jobs as was being done by the ADC judiciary. So that was where confusion was. There were concerns by the district council that the cases between tribals and tribals will now be shifted. We have very clearly said there's no question of that. Under para 4, it has been clearly defined that these kind of cases will be tried by the district council courts. So even if any notification or even if there's any kind of cases that were to go, the district council's courts will prevail and their stand will prevail because it is protected by the constitution. So these clarifications were made, and I'm pretty sure that after a number of rounds of discussion, I'm sure that the council also is more or less convinced, and we are moving ahead with this spirit and with this objective that the district council courts and their powers will not be diluted in any way, and this entire exercise is only
Katba na kailang o Chief Executive Member CEM uba Tito Starwell Khan, uloong baki District Council kintre kam kumbajulong. Uloong ru ba yakaray ka bakhaddo kinsaya syong la syay kasngi halor ka CPC bat CRPC. Yakani lakren hadian balawai ka jingalang kikunhun MDC ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council badu menteri rang ba ka jala u CONRAD SANGMA badu sembut menteri rang ba ka jala u Preston Tensong.
Nakaliang kecungi ila dia biar discuss biar betan ketika notification kepada government kepada jangan cuba apa itu ini bah nakaliang kecungi mentan saya kendu saya kasi step ya kapan sim ke final call apa ini but hoy lapor sutu ini bah kumbakalong dari notification kan nung ta ya di district council court kecungi nanti ki subordinate court bat kunjuru ya di village court kabamut hi ka CRPC bat CPC kanum apply haki court kecungi namar bangi ngidon ya ka constitutional provision ka kum ka para court bat para fight ka constitution debat ha bejing ade lu bat ki case kiba they have then di tribal ka trial kadang dei hi bat di district council court ini di district session court kinum la apply ya bejing ade have then di tribal tentang iwe case kiba let's say kiba kikut kejungi kim ju trial untuk pokso but iwe criminal case ini kan kan kaju ika spirit na suang lampat ibi kaju ika spirit kaba ngijule baru kata kani kan penting